How to remove Pinterest from Google search. To get started, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Then, select Profile Visibility. From here, you can manage how your profile can be viewed on and off Pinterest. Now, turn on the Search Privacy option. This option hides your profile and boards from search engines on Pinterest. Tap on I understand below. Following these steps, you can easily remove Pinterest from Google search. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.